Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Arthur, and I am going to be speaking to you today about
range hood parts accessories.
After watching this video, if you found information here helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Broan-NuTone range hoods. Delivering fresh air by quickly removing odors and smoke, all while complementing kitchen designs. Broan-NuTone range hoods work to improve kitchen air while cooking and cleaning. In addition to high-quality ventilation, we've engineered innovative features like heat-sensing technology and flexible solutions to make installations easy. Our array of range hoods includes everything from simple, classic designs to beautiful statement hoods. At Broan-NuTone, we're improving indoor air, so every day, people can come home to fresh air.